Evolve your health.
What is a health coach?
Do you see sports teams and fighters making it far without a coach? No, you don't. So think of a coach for athletes, except health coaches do it for non-athletes who want to improve their overall health, diet, and lifestyle.
So is a health coach gonna be following me around and yelling at me?
You are what you eat and you're a piece of trash.
I'm sure you can find some that will, but that is not your typical health coach. Health coaches help people identify their health and lifestyle goals.
Like how to eat and stuff?
Health coaches don't just focus on food, they examine your overall health.
Whether you just want to learn how to eat healthy, lose weight, increase energy, sleep better, manage stress. Some health coaches specialize in specific health issues, such as dealing with digestive issues, skin issues, as well as other autoimmune conditions. Health coaches mentor you to build and maintain healthy and successful habits to achieve your goals. Not only can they guide you to achieve your health goals, they can lead you down the path of success to tackle personal, professional, relationship goals, and otherwise. These are all aspects of your overall health.
A health coach can guide you to kick life's ass.
Can a doctor or a dietitian do that?
Health coaches don't treat or diagnose diseases.
Traditional practitioners can contribute to healthy living, but they don't necessarily have the time or resources to help their patients build healthy habits and change their lifestyle on a day-to-day basis. This is where a health coach steps in to bridge the gap between your current health and lifestyle habits and those habits that you want to change or establish.
How do they do this?
By being a support and accountability partner to help you evaluate what is and is not currently working in your life. You'll have motivation to make lasting changes and feel your best. You'll be guided along your journey to build a toolbox filled with realistic steps and tools to support your health and lifestyle changes. Some health coaches can simply provide you with a map. Some can mentor you along your journey up your personal mountain.
Are they actually gonna be with me?
You got this. Kick this mountain ass.
That is a possibility, but many health coaches will work with you on the phone, by email, online, through apps, through Facebook groups, just to name a few ways.
How are they gonna help me climb my mountain?
A great health coach can
Help you to discover the why behind your desired health and lifestyle changes. Draw out the good habits and strengths that you already have but may not have tapped into yet. They find your challenges and blind spots that are preventing change. They empower you to become an expert on your own body, mind, and spirit.
They can provide you with a game plan to
Make better food choices and implement better nutrition habits to feel healthier, more energized, and vibrant. They can provide you with food and grocery checklists, ideas, and recipes for food prep as well as eating strategies. If you don't have the time to dedicate in the kitchen, they can recommend healthy options for food boxes and meal kits, as well as safe possibilities for eating out.
focus on improved sleep hygiene.
Not getting enough sleep can lead to a whole host of health issues, hormonal imbalances, which can increase your hunger and lead to weight gain, metabolic disorders, and even diabetes in some cases. Sleep deprivation impairs attention and memory. It can make you easily stressed, irritable, angry, and prone to anxiety. It can also contribute to depression, fatigue, immune, and cardiovascular problems.
Have a toolbox for dealing with stress management.
Using tactics such as exercise, meditation, mindfulness, breath work, and others to calm you, recharge you, energize you, and hit that reset button when you need it.
Adding exercise into your life, which can be accomplished even with a busy schedule.
Which can fall hand in hand with getting better sleep and reducing stress. You don't have to join a class or a gym to exercise. You might be surprised at how easy it can be to add to your routine.
time management strategies.
Structure your day, your week, and your month for success by organizing your priorities, setting up a strategy and game plan, making a to-do list, keep you from procrastinating and wasting time, keeping you focused so that you are using your time efficiently. Make the most out of your day, your week, your month, and your life.
Health coaches help you implement small changes at a pace that is comfortable for you so that you can be successful achieving your health, diet, and lifestyle goals. There is no one-size-fits-all diet, just like there is no one plan to rule them all. We are all built different, so we must all plan and fuel different. There is something that will work for you. The trick is in finding it, and that is what a health coach does. A health coach is trained to bring out the best in you, to feel and perform to your greatest potential, just like a great coach is supposed to do.
You got me pumped, man.
Are you ready?
Nah, dog, I'm gonna try this cat right here.